Hello again, my name's Gabe Zollner. Got a question. What do all animals, including humans, have in common? You want to think about that one for a moment? Well, what they all have in common is they exploit the weaknesses of others. And they do that as a survival instinct. That's why they all do that. A lion has to know the weaknesses of its prey, otherwise it'll never survive. So why am I making these kinds of comments, and how am I going to tie this all together? Well, it's relatively simple. When we take a look at our president, who's being attacked from all sides, you ever wonder why he's being attacked from all sides? I'll tell you why. I'll tell you why I think he's being attacked from all sides. Our president has shown weakness. When he participated in the second debate against Hillary Clinton, what did he say? He said, if I become president, you need to go to jail. I'll appoint an attorney general to investigate you. And that helped him win a lot of votes from the American people. And what did he do the moment he became president? Well, he said, the Clintons are good people. They suffered enough. That's 180 degrees in the opposite direction. That again showed a very clear sign of weakness. When he didn't go after the previous Attorney General who committed sedition, when she said she wanted to see blood flowing in the streets. That's what Attorney General Loretta Lynch said. Again, by not going after her for having said that, again, President Trump showed a sign of weakness. And that weakness is being exploited by the other animals that want power. That's all they do it for, is power. I've given you two clear examples. There's many others. When President Trump appointed Reince Priebus as his chief of staff, again, another sign of weakness. Reince Priebus was supportive of Jeb Bush. Reince Priebus spoke out against candidate Trump. When President Trump appointed the FBI director, the new one, that's yet to be determined. He has to go through the approval process by the dysfunctional government. When he went ahead and selected his Attorney General, Jeff Sessions, what has Jeff Sessions done that we're aware of? Nothing. Another sign of weakness. When you add up all these signs of weaknesses, they give the opposition incredible power, which is exactly what's happening. By President Trump not signing an executive order to rescind Barack Hussein Obama's very first executive order, 13489, another clear sign of weakness. When President Trump did nothing about any of it, he's showing clear signs of weakness. By not signing an executive order shutting down this farce of an investigation with Robert Mueller, another sign of weakness. Is all this being done intentionally? I don't know. But what do I see happening in the midterms? I see a bloodbath for the Republicans, based on all of these signs of weaknesses. And again, it's human nature. It's animal instinctive nature to exploit others' signs of weaknesses. Go do your own Googling. Go Google signs of weaknesses. Are they exploited by animals? Folks, I don't know what the agenda is. I just believe that nothing good will come of any of this. This has been in the works for a very, very long time. They're not gonna let go now. You think not? Well, think what you like. I do. It's scary, folks. We put President Trump in power not to display signs of weaknesses, which is pretty much all that he's doing, which is pretty much all that he's done. Tell me where I'm wrong. You can't, can you?